How to upload TikTok video from laptop or PC. So if you want to upload TikTok video from laptop or your PC, then what you need to do is you just need simply just go with your browser. On your browser, you can search for TikTok. After searching, go with www.tiktok.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you click on upload, you will have this kind of interface. Now you need to select the video or image that you would like to upload. So select that and then go with open, and you can edit that if you want to, and then go with the description, and after that go with location. You can schedule the post or you can post it right now, and who can watch this video, you can select everyone or friends or only you. You can choose the privacy, and then if you want to run a copyright check, you can enable that also, and go with post, and it will be uploaded. That's how you can upload TikTok video from your laptop or your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.